Hi everybody, this is Karen Smith, your instructor. We're going to take a look at this example of polynomial long division. I just want to remind you that you could see this problem written with a division sign as it is here, or you could see it written as a fraction, like this. Okay, so here we have our dividend divided by the divisor. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to set this up, again, I say as long division. So we'll have the divisor, x plus 4, goes into our dividend of x squared plus 2x minus 8. We begin our long division by just kind of taking a look at the very first term of our divisor and the very first term of our dividend. And what we want to do is say x goes into x squared how many times. So side work, on the side we're saying this is x squared divided by x. Okay, and we know from our previous lessons that this would equal to x to the first power, right? So this single x cancels one of these x's and it leaves me with x to the first power. So where do we put this? We put this here over the x term in the divisor. Notice what I'm going to do when I'm going through my long division algorithm is I'm going to line up the x's and the x squareds, x's, and the constant terms. I want to line up things that have the similar or the same exponents. Okay. So the next step is to take this x and multiply it times our divisor. So in our scratch work, to the side, we'll have x times x plus 4. So we distribute x into x plus 4, and we get x squared plus 4x. Okay, so what do we do with this? We're going to take that and write it right under our dividend, okay? And make sure to line up those matching terms, like I said before. Okay? The next part is pretty important. I want you guys to subtract next, but we need to put this in parentheses and subtract. So we're subtracting the polynomial or the result that we just put underneath the dividend, okay? And so what you need to do is really subtract this binomial. So we'll have the opposite of the things in parentheses. In other words, we're going to have 2x minus 4x. Okay, so we'll have plus a negative x squared and a negative 4x. So the results of that, 2x minus 4x would be negative 2x. And then x squared minus x squared is 0, right? We don't have to write that. The next thing we do is bring down the next term in our dividend. So we'll have minus 8. Okay, once you bring down that next term, we need to start all over again, where we will consider the x in our divisor, and then the first term of this result, this last line of our algorithm, negative 2x. So the side work, right, or the scratch work looks like this. X goes into negative 2x, or negative 2x divided by x. Simplify that to get the next term in our top quotient there. So we see that our x's will cancel, and we'll end up with a negative 2. All right, so where do we put that? We're going to put that up here at the top after that x. So we'll have x minus 2. Okay, again, we have to distribute and subtract. So let's go there next. So we'll take this negative 2 and it now will will be multiplied by the x plus 4. So on our scratch work, that looks like this. Negative 2 times x plus 4. All right, distribute that, and we get what? Negative 2x minus 8. All right, and so we put that right at the bottom of our algorithm. Okay, so negative 2x minus 8. Now, can you see what's going to happen here is we're going to put the parentheses and take the opposite. Then we combine the terms, right? So what happens is we're going to plus 2x, and this will become plus 8. So when we combine that, we have 0, right? The whole thing is just 0. So 0 is our remainder here, okay? So we don't have to do anything else. The answer to this problem then is x minus 2. One more thing to note is we know we're at the end of the repeated algorithm when we can't bring down any other terms here. Remember we brought down that minus 8 here? Here we can't bring anything else down. We know we're done, okay? So we know that our answer to x squared plus 2x minus 8 divided by x plus 4 is x minus 2. Right? I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Contact me if you need to have a help session. And I hope you guys have a great day.